Welcome to another Ciao Bella Pizza Oven tutorial. Today, we are going to focus on how to start a fire safely, quickly, and efficiently. The items you will need are a minimum of 6 kindling sticks, Ciao Bella starters, 2 to 3 logs. Begin by placing in the middle of your oven the 6 kindling sticks, building them in a 3-level crisscross pattern. Ignite the Ciao Bella fire starter and place in the center. From here, we are going to let that fire burn and spread. Feel free to add additional kindling sticks if needed. At this point, you can also place the 2 larger logs on either side of the fired kindling. This process will help prepare the larger logs for the burning process. After 10 to 12 minutes, you may start to add the larger log pieces. By placing them onto the fire, place them gently to avoid any of the cooking stones from cracking. Leave the fire burning for approximately 25 to 35 minutes. Your temperature gauge can be a helpful tool in making sure the oven has warmed up to your desired cooking temperature. You are going to want to leave the fire in the center of the oven until you are ready to cook your first pizza. At this point, you can use your broom, brush, or log hook to push the fire to the left side of your oven and secure the logs with the handy Ciao Bella log holder, which will enlarge your cooking space and ensure no ashes get into your food. Using the oven broom, brush down the stones and prepare a clean cooking surface for your pizzas. By now, you should start seeing the fire make a beautiful curling frame around your dome. Make sure to adjust your chimney damper as to allow oxygen to only come out of the front of the oven. Now you're ready to start cooking. Ciao!